谁呀？翻面。
哦，不是，有两个字的，那个叫啥名？什么丽丽？什么那？
是不是可以直接说？
哎，还没呢。
哦。正好也错了在线，所以我也有点晚才会知道的。Hello everyone. Today we introduce Dot Peen Marker machine. In back of me is our Dot Peen Marker machine, and today we will introduce you Dot Peen Marker machine. They are mainly used to mark metal and hard plastic materials. Okay, I should close the. Okay, you can see our Dot Peen Marker machine in back of me, and you see there are different models, and each model has its advantage to work. For example, this first one, a portable model, is handhold model. This model is mainly used. This model is hand holding. It's mainly used to mark under large metal. Large metal, and because it's very portable to move, and with this machine have 8 millimeters cables, so it's very portable to move. It's very portable to move everywhere in your factory, so it's very popular with our customers to use this machine. This machine can work on trucks and large steel structure and large pipe and gas bottle. Gas bottles also can use this model to work on. Okay, and if you have any questions about this model, you can write me, you can send us message or send us inquiry in our website or Alibaba or any other platform. We will give you response in time. Okay, if you have any questions, you can also. Okay, this large one, the working arrow reached to 150 millimeters, and the widest reached to 100 millimeters. So this machine has a wide working arrow, and then this smaller one. Okay, and if you have any questions or any issues about these two models, you can write me message. I can give you answer in a live issue. Okay, thank you so much. This handhold model, we can customize the working arrow according to your working demand. Just now we introduced the 135, 135 and 50 the working arrow, and this one is the biggest one. The biggest one is working arrow is reached to 300 millimeter and 200 millimeter. So this is the biggest handheld Dolphin marking machine. And also we can cast more larger one for you if you need to use. This kind of handheld model, the main feature is very portable, very convenient to move everywhere. So this smaller model is very hot, very popular with our customers. Okay. How to use this machine is very simple. With this machine, we have two different control way. And the first way is with LCD touch screen. LCD. Okay. LCD touch screen, then you don't need to connect your computer. Just operate the software in the LCD touch screen. So it's very convenient. Before we ship, before we deliver our machine to your factory, our engineer will adjust the software, set the parameters, and of the working video before shipment, and show you the video to inspect our machine. So once you get this machine, you and for the this model is also very popular with our customers because this model is widely used in all kinds of metals. This model is our PDB 100 and 100E. The difference between E and is the control way. We see then with the LCD touch screen. With LCD touch screen is more convenient for you to operate. Don't need to install software with your computer. And just before shipment, we will install the software, and our engineer will adjust the software for you. So, and with another way is with control cabinet. The control cabinet, the performance also very stable. Then if you need the control cabinet model, so we will send you the software, and you need to install our software with your laptop or computer to use it. Okay, and this model is very popular because you can see here the machine, the marking head and the height can change in this way. Okay. This is a handle. With this handle to change the marking head and the height. So it's very it can use it can work on different objects, and no matter the same plate. Okay. So is this model. So is this model. It can work on this kind of flat surface. Flat surface. You can see there is a butterfly and a very canary butterfly. You can see it has the smooth the edge. The edge is very smoothly. It's very very beautiful. You can see this butterfly is done with our Dot Peen Marker machine. Okay, this material is an aluminum, so you can work on your aluminum materials with our Dot Peen Marker machine. And the letters design, you can use your own. Just input your design into our machine software, and then the size of the design can change, can adjust. Okay, so it's a very durable and very convenient machine to use it. The advantage is to mark very deep. On this kind of material, the depths can reach to 2 millimeter. 2 millimeter. Okay. Okay, welcome to our living show. Today we introduce the Dot Peen Marker machine. This machine we have rich experience because we have over 20 years history in producing this kind of Dot Peen Marker machine. In our factory, there are different model options. There are handheld model, desktop model, and even have a larger object select. Okay. Today we introduce this machine, and with this machine you can work on what kinds of service, what kinds of hard service, like a stainless steel and coated metal plate, and any other copper or the brass and aluminum and carbon steel, any other harder plastic. It can work on flat surface. Flat surface like this. Flat surface. Flat surface also can work on this kind of round surface. Round surface and flat surface, it can both work on. Okay, the worker depth next to 2 millimeters. It's very deep for the logo, for the mark. Okay. Okay, and if you want to work on this kind of pipe with a larger diameter, it's not diameter. you can choose this kind of desktop Dot Peen Marker machine because this machine, the marking head, the height of this machine can change, can adjust. It's adjustable here with this handle to move up and down this marking machine the head. So with this machine, we have a rotary. We have a rotary chuck, so that you can work on this kind of round object. The rotary max diameters reach to 160 millimeters. This model can work on flat surface and round surface. Okay. And this portable model is very popular with our customers because you can see it's very easy to lift it. It's very easy to lift, so it can take to anywhere you want to work in your factory. It's very easy to use it, and because it's very small, the shipping is also very convenient. With DHL or UPS or FedEx, just 5 to 7 days, you can get our machine in your factory. Okay. In total, in our factory, there are Dot Peen Marker machine. There are handheld model and a desktop model. And desktop model is rotary and a large flange and gas bottle model. Four kinds of models for you to choose. So welcome you to give us a sample picture, just a sample picture, and we can introduce the most suitable model for you to choose. Okay. Okay. Under warmly welcome you. Send us inquiry, no matter which machine in our factory. Send us inquiry, and so that we can give you answer and give you our best condition. Okay. Today we introduce is the Dot Peen Marker machine. This machine is very simple to operate. Of course, because before shipment, our engineer will adjust our machine and offer you the inspection video. So you can also choose to send us the sample workpiece so that we can adjust well before shipment and then send you to direct use it. Don't need to adjust the parameters by yourselves. And together with the machine, we will use manual and training video, all in for English language, so you can learn quickly how to use this machine. Okay, and this machine is free maintenance because it's very durable to use. And the machine use cost is very low. because the only consumable parts is the pins. The pins is also very durable to use it because the hardness reach to HRA 92, so it can work on any kinds of very hard metal surface and also hard plastic on flat surface and round surface. If you don't know how to choose the Dot Peen Marker machine, you can send us the sample picture. Then we can get you a very suitable machine for you. And here I show you a sample of this machine. It's a stainless steel plate. On this plate, you can see the circular edge is very smooth. To mark on this kind of plate, the best model is our desktop model. PQD 100 or 100E. The difference between 100 and 100E, the difference is the control way. We see there is a LCD touch screen, so that the software is stored well with the LCD touch screen. Don't need to install software again with computer. Okay, and so that it's very simple, very easy to on the LCD. Okay. I don't need internet. And it support input your design. PLT will DXF the format. Input your design into our software, so it can work out your design on a metal plate, metal surface. Okay. And our Dot Peen Marker machine work with air compression. You can see here. You can see there is a valve to adjust the air pressure. So once the air reach to our machine, the pressure is very stable. In market, you can find that not many machine is with electricity. With electricity, we have a machine with electricity, and this machine with electricity and air compression, so that it can mark very deep on any kind of hard surface, hard metal surface, and hard plastic surface, no matter flat surface or round surface. Okay, if you have any questions about our Dot Peen Marker machine, you can feel free to send us your questions in our living show. Okay, so that we can give you answer in time. Okay, in our factory, there are 4 kinds of different model options for you to choose. You can see the first one is this one is a very this one. This one is a handhold model. This one is PQD 30 and PQD 30E. The difference is E with the LCD touch screen, so that the software have is stored with the LCD. Don't need to connect to your computer. Okay, so the performance of the machine is very stable. You don't need your factory have the internet is offline to use this machine. Also, our machine support to input your design. Input design or the sample content, you can just edit in our software, the interface. It's very simple to operate. And together with the machine, we offer use manual and training video in full English language so that you can learn quickly. And this one is a larger handheld model. Under this model, the working arrow is 150 millimeter and 100 millimeter. The difference is this one is with a larger working arrow, so that if you work a longer content, so you can choose this larger one. Kind of handheld model, we can make it to 300 and 200 millimeters, so that the longest arrow, the length working arrow reach to 300 millimeters. Okay. Okay, if you have any questions about our Dot Peen Marker machine, you can feel free to send an inquiry in our event show. So I can give you a timely response. For our Dot Peen Marker machine, you can see on this flat surface, you can work on. It's made of stainless steel. It's a stainless steel flat plate. And this kind of mirror mirror-like stainless steel. You can see. This design, the design is depend on you. If you want to work out your company logo on the nameplate, you just need to input the logo from your computer or from your USB. Input your logo, your design to our machine software so that our machine can work out. And our machine main advantage is it can work very deep, and the pin hardness is reached to. Hello, leader. Okay, welcome to our living show. If you have any questions about our Dot Peen Marker machine or any other machine, you can also send us inquiry in our living show. Okay. Okay, continue with our topic. If you want to work out your company logo, you just need to input your design from USB to our machine software, so that our machine can work out your logo anywhere, no matter on this kind of flat surface. Or on this kind of rounded surface. Or this kind of pipe. No matter it's in stainless steel or aluminum material. And this kind of stainless stick is solid. It's solid. You can see. It can work with the rotary model. Okay, if you are not sure about if our machine can work on your workpiece or not, you can feel free to send us picture, the sample picture, for us to give you solution, give you suggestion. Okay. You can see this. On this pipe, you can see there a ruler on this round surface. This design in our machine, the software this graphic options. You can directly choose from our software their design storage, so that you don't need to make it. In our software, there are many wider user design in our software interface. In our design storage, so that you can use it directly. You can edit many kinds of content just in our software interface. Don't need you to make a drawing with additional software. It's very simple to operate. For our Dot Peen Marker machine is a small machine, the handheld model is very popular with our customers because it's very simple to operate. Here you can see there are just two switches. You can see the red one is the power switch, and this one is to absorber or unabsorbed on the metal surface, so that our machine can stand stable on the metal surface. You can see it's very portable to handhold. Okay, thank you very much for sending us the inquiry. After leaving show, I will give you answer. Okay, thank you so much. And for this machine, I give you a brief introduce. Okay, and this machine is our PQD 25. It's with a cabinet. Okay, I give you have a look this model. It's this model. Hello dear, it's this model. It's this model and with a rotary chuck. On this model, the standard working arrow is 150 and 100 millimeters. So you can write me if this working arrow is enough to you or not. And if you want a larger working arrow, we can make it 200 millimeter and 150 millimeter. Okay, and this model, the marking here, the height is adjustable. So that no matter you can work on different work piece. You can work on this and with the rotary round the surface. You can see with the rotary you can work on this kind of round surface. Round surface. The control wheel of this model is with the cabinet control, so that before shipment, our engineer will adjust the software parameters and keep the parameters in a USB and together with our marking software in a USB disk, and together with the machine sent to you, and together with the package we offer use manual and training video in for English language, so that once you get our machine, you can then quickly and install the software with your laptop to use it. Very easy, very simple. Okay, and this machine we can shipping by DHL or other express company. So you can write me your detailed address in Living Show, So that after leaving show, I will write you our best quotation for you. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. And if you have other questions, you can write me message in the living show so that I can give you answer. Okay, with this machine, we also needed to know what the maximum is the diameters of your workpiece. Of the workpiece, the maximum diameters, so that we can give you the most suitable rotary chuck for you to work. Okay, thank you so much. And with this machine, with the rotary, you can work on flat surface and round surface. It depends on you, not only on round surface. Okay, welcome to our new issue. Today we introduce this Dot Peen Marker machine. This machine is very simple and very welcomed by our customers. You can see this machine is very portable and don't occupy space in your factory. It directly put on a desk, and it can work on all kinds of shape. It can work on flatter surface and round surface. Okay, and no matter what contents you want to mark out, you can use this machine. For sample content, you can edit in our software the interface. In design storage, you can find many popular graphic, so that you can make a different design in our software. If you already have design in your hand, such as your company logo, you can direct input the design from a USB port. This machine with a USB port and input the design, so that our machine can work out your company logo on any kind of service. Okay. This machine is worker with it needs air compressor. Because it can mark very deep on what kinds of metal surface. The air compressor, we will send you this pipe. You just need your factory installed the air device or your director by air pressure. It's a common air pressure. You can easily to get it in your local. Okay. If you have any questions, you can send us a message in the new issue. Air compressor and electricity. Before we ship our machine to your country, our engineer will adjust the parameters before shipment. And after we done, we will send you the inspection video for you to check. After you inspect the quality of our machine, then we then you can choose you can choose ask to ship. Okay. For our company, the qualified certificate, we have this CE certificate, so that our machine have already exported, have already sold to 180 countries and regions. Because we have international quality certificate, and those certificate, no matter which country you are from, we can sell our machine to your country. And this kind of small machine we send directly by DHL, by FedEx, by UPS, or any other express company, so that you can get our machine very quickly, just 5 to 7 days. You can see also in our factory there are many stocks. There are many machine stocks in our factory, so they are ready to ship. You don't need to wait a long time. Just the same with you purchase equipment locally. It saves time. Okay, welcome to our event showroom. Okay, today we introduce our Dot Peen Marker machine. Dot Peen Marker machine. The work principle is with this pin. It's with the pin. The pin here, you can see it. You can see here is with this pin. The pin, the hardest with this pin is HRA 92. It's very hard. It's very hard, very durable to work on any kind of metal surface and hard plastic. And you can see this machine is very easy to lift. This machine, the weight just 2 kilograms, so it's very easy to operate. Very easy to operate, easy to shipping, direct by DHL, FedEx, UPS, and other express company. Directly send it to your factory, no matter which country you are from. Okay. If you are not sure if our machine can work on your workpiece, welcome you send us sample pictures, so that we can give you our suggestion. We can give our solution. Because in our factory there are Dot Peen Marker machine, there are laser marking machine, and there are many different kinds of marking machine. What with laser machine is suitable your work. Okay. And our company in the history, we have over 20 years history in the marking machinery in this field, so that we have rich experience in this field. We can offer you quality machine and timely after show service. For this small Dolphin marking machine, for this kind of Dolphin marking machine is free maintenance because they are quite durable quality to use. Very durable. We have customers have used our one machine to 8 to 10 years and is still working, and they are very happy to share us their good feedbacks, and so you just assured to get our Dolphin mark machine. It's very durable quality, and it's very convenient to send it to your country, no matter which country you are from. Okay, if you have any questions about our Dolphin mark machine, you can just send us inquiry in our living show, so that we can find you message in time and give you response in time. Okay. Okay, on this this kind of Dolphin mark machine, it can work on this kind of flat service. You can see there is a butterfly. The butterfly, the edge is smoothly. The edge is smoothly. And this machine, you can see this material is aluminum, and it's done with our Dolphin mark machine. You can see the edge of this marking is very smooth. And the marking tips is also adjustable because in the software, the marking mode also is adjustable. Different marking mode for you to choose. It can mark in dot. And it also can mark in line. This kind of design. You can see this is marker in line, and the lines is smoothly. You can see. Under this kind of marking effective, and this you can see here. See, this is a mark in top. It's marking top. The marking effective different because choose the different marking mode. If you choose inline, so the worker effective is inline. If you choose marking dot, so the effective is in dot. Okay. Also, it's a requirement to choose most suitable working model in your according to your working piece. Okay. Our Dolphin mark machine need a connector, the air compressor to work. Kindly please note it. Lucy, okay, what can and you can see there is the air pipe. there is the air pipe with our the marking head. Air pipe. The other end is collector with the air compressor, and or the air compressor, the air line in your factory. Together with the machine, there is the air valve. There is the air valve here, and to adjust the air pressure. So just a common air pressure, a common air machine is suitable our machine. Okay, welcome to our new issue. Today we introduce. Today we introduce Dot Peen Marker machine. Here are our handheld model. Handheld model. Handheld model is mainly used to mark. Different large workpiece, especially on truck, on car, and the chassis of marker, the car, truck, the structure, large metal object, so that you don't need to move the object to the machine. Just hold this machine to work. And with this machine, there are two switches. This red button is for power. This button is for absorb the machine on the metal surface, so that the marking accuracy is high. And the handheld model, we also have different options. The different options is the working arrow different. The standard working arrow for this small machine is 135. So if your worker, the marking content, the length is within 135 millimeters, so you can choose this portable model. You can choose this portable model to work out. And for this larger working model, the working arrow is 150 millimeter and 100 millimeter. The marking head of this larger one, the weight is around 8. The weight is around 8 kilograms. The weight is around 2 kilograms. You can choose according to your worker environment. Okay. This machine is also connector. It's also connector air compressor to work.
这个气球我拿着吧。啊？放好。我飞过来。
那个没有拔的。
你放在他那个相机旁边搞，放手机旁边搞。
今天货是怎么样？还搞一模一样的。
我等下看一下那个音频里面导出来图应该不是一样的，音频都没个没有了。
Okay, you can see there. Our engineer is preparing our Dolphin Marker machine that delivery to our customers. You can see. They will adjust the parameters in our factory before delivery, so that you can direct to use our machine in your factory. In your factory, don't need to set parameters. You just need to input your design and work out your design. Collect the electricity, collect the air compression machine. Okay, it's very simple to operate. No matter which country you're from, and we can use it to send our machine to your country, to your factory. It's simple like you purchase equipment in your country locally. It's very quick. Okay, and for handhold the model, there are different working arrow. Under this model, if you are not sure about which model is most suitable for your work, you can just send us the sample pictures for you, for us to give you suggesting which model is most suitable to your work. Okay. Together with the machine, we will send the full English language user's manual and training video for you to learn quickly. And this machine is very simple to learn. It's very easy to operate. Our Dolphin marking machine can work on this kind of flat surface. Flat surface, it can work out. And also work on this kind of round surface. The round surface. This solid pipe, solid stick, also can work on. It also work on this flange. What kind is flange? You can see. The depth on this flange is very deep. You can see it's very clean. To work on this flange, this workpiece the diameter is around 100. Is 100 the flange. So 100 millimeter the flange. It can work with our 100. It can work on. It can work with our desktop model PQD 25 or 25E. Okay, Oyster. Our Dolphin Marker machine work with air compressor. Welcome to our living show. Okay. Welcome.
所以你大概不是没电嘛，受不了那个网线，是的，你。
Today we introduce our Dolphin Marker machine.
就跟我说来电了，所以在弄嘛。
你把我的印材给我说的这个下给我发下来。
Our Dolphin Marker machine. And this model is our PQD 100 and PQD 100E. This model is a desktop model, and it's placed on table, so it don't occupy the space. And this model can adjust the marking head with this handle wheels to adjust the marking head. So it can work on different kind of thickness materials. And this model is mainly work on the flat surface. And if you want to work on the round surface, please choose PQD 100, PQD 25 and 25E. That model is a rotary chuck. The rotary makes diameters reach to 160 millimeters. Welcome to our living show. Okay, and today we introduce this Dolphin Marker machine. And this Dolphin Marker machine is used to work on all kinds of metal surface and hard plastic surface. It can work out nameplate, work out company logo, serial number, and all kinds of letters and all kinds of design. And with this machine, you can input your design, use USB to our machine software, so that our machine can work out it directly. It supports PLT, EXF format, so it's very common to get this kind of design. You can use the drawing software.